In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Monarch Money, your comprehensive personal finance management tool for 2025. Helping you manage your finances more efficiently starts with getting everything set up correctly, so let's dive right into it. First up, head over to the Monarch Money website in your preferred web browser. This is your go-to spot for managing all your financial information seamlessly. Once there, look for the sign-up options. You can either use your email or, if you're like many who prefer simplifying logins, choose to continue with Google. Using your Google account is a quick way to set up securely, as it uses existing credentials. Once you've decided on your sign-up method, continue by clicking the button provided. On the next page, you're going to be prompted to enter your full name. Make sure this is the name you want associated with your account, as consistency helps in managing your overall personal finance footprint. The next step is particularly useful for those who manage their finances with a partner. You'll be able to indicate if you are sharing financial planning responsibilities. This collaborative feature is great for maintaining transparency and shared financial goals, so choose accordingly. After setting that up, you'll continue through the setup process by clicking when prompted. You'll find there's quite a bit of clicking continue as you progress, which guides you smoothly through the registration steps. Now take a moment to check over the details you have entered. Ensuring accuracy at this stage saves potential issues down the line. Following this, you'll be asked to add your card number. Monarch requires this for setting up your subscription, and it's also necessary to start your free 7-day trial, which gives you full access to explore all the features Monarch Money offers. Once you enter your payment details, click on Start Your Free 7-Day Trial. This trial period is a great opportunity to explore the platform and see how it integrates with your existing financial habits. Once the trial setup is complete, you might be prompted with an option to connect your bank and credit cards. This step is crucial for getting the most out of Monarch, as it automates the import of your transactions, eliminating manual entry, and offering a comprehensive view of your spending habits. If you're not ready to fully integrate your bank accounts just yet, you can also choose to add accounts manually. This allows you to slowly transition into the system while still maintaining control over how your data is imported. And that's it. You've successfully set up Monarch Money. Remember, while setting up might be straightforward, the real power of Monarch comes with how you use it to manage your budgets, track spending, and achieve financial goals. Enjoy your new financial management tool and explore its different features to make the best use of it. Thanks for following along, and I hope this helps you get organized with Monarch Money.